What is an asset? What comes to your mind when you think about an asset? Maybe you're thinking about your house, especially if it is paid for and you don't have to pay any money as far as loan or mortgage is concerned. You can live in the house. You could also be thinking about the money you have in the bank. That is money that you can use to buy stuff. It can buy you things, it can buy you happiness, maybe. And you could also be thinking about your car or the bike that you have that you ride and can go to places. You can also go to work using the car or the bike, which will result in money flowing in the form of salary or wages. So, an asset is something you own or you possess and expect to use or have some benefit from it in the future. So let's look at the definition of assets according to International Financial Reporting Standards. We'll talk about International Financial Reporting Standards in a moment. The definition of assets is a present economic resource controlled by the entity as a result of past events. And an economic resource is a right that has the potential to produce economic benefits. So we'll get back to the definition of the assets according to IFRS in a moment. But first, what are IFRS? A quick introduction about them.